What alcohol is in White Claw? Hard seltzer is exactly as it sounds, seltzer with alcohol. But the bigger question is, can White Claw make you drunk? Let's find out. Before we move on, be sure to subscribe to Advanced Mixology and ring the bell button so you don't miss out on awesome cocktail recipes, fun facts about your favorite drink, and bartending tips. The frenzy surrounding White Claw is that many people consider it as vodka soda in a can. To the untrained palate, the drink does resemble everyone's favorite refreshing cocktail from the bar. But the fact of the matter is this: White Claw is definitely not a vodka soda. So what exactly is it? What type of drink is White Claw? Technically, White Claw is a flavored malt beverage. A malt beverage is made by the alcoholic fermentation of malted barley and hops. Other cereals, malted or unmalted, and other carbohydrates may be included. This makes sense because White Claw is owned by Mark Anthony Brands, the pioneer of the flavored malt category. The company introduced White Claw in 2016 with 9 different 100-calorie flavors. What is White Claw made of? The official answer to the question, as told by one of the brand's representatives, is that White Claw is a blend of seltzer water, its gluten-free alcohol base, and a hint of fruit flavor. The alcohol in White Claw hard seltzer comes from fermented sugars derived from gluten-free malted grains. White Claw has 100 calories and 2 grams of carbohydrates per 355 milliliter can, with an alcohol content of only 5%. Being aware of what alcohol is in White Claw helps you drink in moderation and somehow gives you control over indulging in a can or not. Hard seltzers, particularly White Claw, are here to stay, and it's only a matter of time until the variety of options will reach older demographics as well. And maybe we'll all be shouting White Claw next summer.